Okay, quick demo to show you how the logo fix works. So again, here we're working on the piece of packaging for the Nude brand, and I'm going to click on to logo. And again, I'm going to use the zoom in and hand tool just to navigate to where I want to be, and this is the logo that I want to change. So now I'm going to use the mask, which I can upsize like this, and cover my logo area. And because the logo that I'm uploading is a tiny bit kind of deeper than this logo, I'm also going to cover a slightly larger area there. Great. I'm now going to click upload and drop the logo in. And let's hit generate. Great. And so now we see some logo options. So I'm going to just zoom out so we can see those slightly better, and I'll just pick which one looks best. Yeah, I think that one maintains, actually maybe this one maintains the coloring that I want slightly better. And so I'm going to go ahead and apply that edit, and I will save that as a copy. And that's it on how to enact a logo change.